Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can restore a deleted folder or file inside your cloud drive on the Mega app. So let us guide you through this. So guys, you can do this inside the Mega app on your desktop computer or inside the web application. So let us go with the web application, right? So you will need to navigate to your cloud drive here inside the Mega app, inside your account. And as you can see, I created this example files folder here for the sake of this tutorial. Let me delete it. Also for the sake of this tutorial, what you need to do guys is navigate to this folder here on the left sidebar, rubbish bin. If you don't see it, expand the sidebar here at the top. So files and folders you remove get temporarily stored in that folder, and from here guys you can restore it. For instance, if you accidentally removed it by clicking into these three dots here to the right, more actions, and by selecting restore. Alternatively, you can click into this checkbox and select restore here. And then the given folder will be moved back to its previous location inside your cloud drive as well as on your device. For example, if you sync the Mega app with, or the desktop app of it with the web version, it will also be synced on your device in the given location. So that's how it works guys. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.